Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you. Oh my Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you. Oh my Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you.
Allah says, He is Allah, the Creator, the Evolver, the Bestower of forms. To Him belong the most beautiful names. Allah has created everything. If we look around, we would see that Allah's creation is most amazing. From the hundreds of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, and roaming objects in space and outer space, to the millions of creations on Earth, one cannot begin to imagine the incalculability of Allah's creation. For instance, out of the millions of galaxies, one is said to have millions of stars, just like our Sun. The space from one galaxy to another is at times thousands of light years away from each other. The Sun, which the Earth orbits around, in comparison, is a small to mid-sized star. Mankind simply cannot comprehend the vastness of such space. To date, and with all our technological advancements, we have not been able to see all galaxies. Allah says,
فَلَا أُقْسِمُ بِمَا تُبْصِرُونَ وَمَا لَا تُبْصِرُونَ.
So I do call to witness what ye see, and what ye see not. Who else can create such enormity? And even if we look into the smallest of creations, Allah says, O men, here is a parable set forth. Listen to it. Those on whom besides Allah ye call cannot create even a fly, if they all met together for the purpose. And if the fly should snatch away anything from them, they would have no power to release it from the fly. Feeble are those who petition, and those whom they petition. This dare is ongoing to date. None can claim to have created anything. As humans think of creation, they often mistake creation with manufacturing. Humans make and invent new materials all the time. The Creator, however, creates from nothingness. Such is the creation of Allah. Now show me what is there that others besides Him have created.
Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord, I bow to you.